Night Rain by Sugathakumari. Sugathakumari is a powerful and prominent voice in contemporary Malayalam literature. She is also well known in the environmental circle for protecting the environment and nature of Kerala. Some of her major poems are Ratrimala, Ambalamani, and Manalezhuth. This poem, Ratrimala, taken from the collection Ratrimala, has been translated into English by her own sister and literary critic Sugathakumari as Rain at Night. The poem is written in 6 sections but does not have a regular stanzaic form. The speaker in this poem identifies herself with the rain at night. The shifting moods of the persona, parallel with that of the rain at night, can be seen. Listen to the poem carefully. Follow the transcript, and you will see different emotional states of the woman: the youth, love, melancholy, mental agony, disease, loneliness, and so on. The rain has become a companion of the woman in all these different emotional stages. Night Rain by Sugathakumari. Night rain, like some young mad woman, weeping, laughing, whimpering for nothing, muttering without a stop, and sitting huddled up, tossing her long hair. Night rain, pensive daughter of the dusky dark, gliding slowly like a long veil into this hospital, extending her cold fingers through the window and touching me. Night rain, when groans and shudders and sharp voices and the sudden anguished cry of a mother shake me, and I put my hand into my ears and sob, tossing on my sick bed, you like a dear one, come through the gloom with comforting words. Someone said, the deceased part can be cut and removed. But what can be done with my poor heart, more deeply diseased? Night rain, witness to my love who lulled me to sleep on those auspicious nights long ago, giving more joy than the white moonlight, which made me thrill with joy and love. Night rain, now witness to my grief, when on my sweltering sickbed in the sleepless hours of night, alone I reel with pain, forgetting even to weep, and freeze into stone. Let me tell you, night rain, I know your music kind and sad, your pity and your suppressed rage, your coming in the night, your sobbing and weeping when all alone. And when it's dawn, you are wiping your face and forcing a smile, you hurry and you're putting on an act. How do I know all this, my friend? I too am like you, rain at night.